In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall information in Paperform. Paperform is a versatile tool that allows you to create engaging forms and quizzes perfect for collecting data and personalizing content. Let's dive into how you can personalize your success messages by recalling specific information your form respondents provide. First, when you set up your form in Paperform, start by adding the questions you'd like to ask. In our example today, we'll be gathering basic information like name and birthday. These are key fields we'll need to personalize our success message later on. Once your questions are set, navigate to the After Submission section. This is where you'll customize what the respondents see once they've submitted their form. Under Success Pages, you'll find an area called the Default Success Page. Here, you'll be able to craft a personalized message that will be displayed to your users. To make your message more engaging, you'll want to pull in the answers from the form directly into the success message. Begin by typing a curly brace, like so, last hub. As you type this, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing all the possible fields. These are answers that users have provided in their responses. Select the answer you wish to incorporate. For example, let's use a simple celebratory message. Thanks. Name. Your birthday is... Birthday. Here's your gift. By using the variables within double curly braces, Paperform automatically integrates the unique response of each participant right into the text, providing a custom experience. Now, what happens next may seem magical, but it's all thanks to Paperform's capabilities. When someone fills out your form and submits their information, Paperform takes these details and automatically fills them into the designated spots within your success message. That means the moment someone presses submit, the greeting they receive acknowledges them directly, using their name and birthday information, making them feel valued and recognized. As you can see, recalling information in Paperform is straightforward, but it adds a level of personalization that can greatly enhance your form's impact. It's these small details that can help transform a generic interaction into something memorable. If you're looking to elevate the user experience in your forms or quizzes, leveraging the recall feature is a powerful way to start. Thanks to Paperform's intuitive design, incorporating personalized data can be achieved with ease, enriching the user connection, and providing responses that are both meaningful and immediate. Remember, creativity is your limit here. You can further customize messages to celebrate milestones, send reminders, or even create interactive experiences directly within your form. The process is seamless, but the effect is profound, offering a tailored approach that resonates well with respondents. So go ahead and experiment with this feature and see how Paperform can work for you in creating a more personalized and engaging user experience.